This is the part 2 of building this house. Okay, guys, let's start building this now. Hmm, this is a little bit too hard, but not very. Okay, guys. So, this is my cousin. She will build. She will build my other house right here. Wait, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm back right here. So I need some wood and this. So here's the final look. This was early. No, hindi. Uh, you will rate this house, guys. So please comment so we can check to our profile. I will read your comments. I promise. Testing hi from my channel. Can you say hi? Hi. So I'm not done. And I will check my cousin if it's good or not. Oh, it's good. Nice. Very good. Let's start now from the house. For this house. Here's this. So, well, I need a bookshelf and this. And right here, this is the human portal. The place I'm not done because I need to get this like that. So I'm not done building this. It's not hard. Like I broke the wall. So bye guys. Like this video so you can check. I will finish this in part 3. Bye.